Welcome to my fitting guide for my 3D printed intercooler with pipes and bracket for mounting on a TT01 and TT02 chassis. So let's go with what you get in the kit. There's the intercooler itself. So again, you've got the jubilees and the silicone joiners modelled in, 2 fixing points on the rear. The bracket itself. So for reference, here's TT01 from bumper mount. It just slots on in place. You also get all required hardware and the intercooler pipes themselves. Now these do come unpainted, so you can paint them however you want. Although I have found the best way to do them for me is just with a silver acrylic paint pen. And these are the results. So just literally go over them. There you go. You can spray paint them if you want, but that's what I found is quickest. Right, so let's go for how to fit them. So first of all, take the intercooler bracket, put your 2 screws in the back. Now that slots on the top, so your pipe work sits on the bottom. Tighten 2 screws up. Don't over tighten them, you will strip the threads. So they are only 3D printed and they are M3, which is a pretty fine thread. So once that's in place, obviously you'll do this on the card, or you can just remove the mount and fit it all in one piece. Slot the bracket on, take the intercooler pipe, put it in the hole, and you'll see the hole lines up. So take one of the bolts through the hole underneath. Line it up through the top. Place the washer on top. And the nut, as I say, all hardware will be supplied. Tighten them up. Same again for the other side. So intercooler pipe in, bolt through the bottom, wind it in a bit if you want, line it up, put a washer on. Tighten them up and that's it. So that's all fitted. So with the painting, I have found the easiest way, just with the acrylic paint markers. You can use red, blue, whatever colour you want for your joiners. One thing I will say is the easiest way I've found to do these pieces in here is actually use your paint marker, get some of the paint out, and then use a cocktail stick and run it along the edge like so, and that'll get the paint in the edges, just like there, as you can see on the Subaru. With regards to painting the fins on the cooler, I found a fine tip on this. If you just run it along the fins, you'll find for the most part it will just paint the top of the fins, leaving the black recesses, which gives it that slightly more realistic look. So that's on TT01. This one's a slightly different setup because I've had an oil cooler lying around, so I changed the bracket up for that. But same process applies with the cooler. Right, just to prove this kit does actually fit on the TT02 as well. You can see Tamiya TT02. Brackets locked on nice. Same again. Place the intercooler pipe in. Rotate it round. Bolt through the bottom. Put the washer on. Put the nut on. Tightened up. And do the same again for the other side. Now we got fully fitted on a Tamiya TT02. And you can see it doesn't sit no lower than the chassis itself. As for measurements, the whole setup just works out to just under 120mm wide. And it sticks out from the front of the chassis around 23mm. Now we have it. As I say, the kits will come unpainted, so if you wanted to black it, a black intercooler, you can carry on with that. Match silicone joiners to your colour scheme. Hopefully we'll have some more products soon. See you in the next one.